Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change currency in Expedia. This is particularly useful when you're planning trips to different countries and want to see prices in your local currency or the currency of your destination, making budgeting and price comparisons much easier. First, open your web browser and head over to expedia.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account. Make sure you're signed in before proceeding, as this ensures your currency preferences will be saved for future visits. Now, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll notice a toolbar with several options. Look for the currency icon, which is positioned right beside the Open App button. Click on this currency icon to access the currency settings. This is where you'll be able to customize how prices are displayed throughout the site. Once you click the currency icon, a menu will appear. In this menu, navigate to the region section. You'll see a drop-down menu next to it. Click on this drop-down menu to reveal all the available regions. This is an important step because Expedia links currency to geographical regions, ensuring that when you select a specific area, the corresponding currency is automatically applied. Browse through the list of regions and select your preferred one. Whether you're looking for US dollars, euros, British pounds, or any other currency, simply choose the region that corresponds to the currency you want to use. The great thing about this system is that as soon as you select your preferred region, Expedia will automatically change the currency based on that selection. You'll immediately see prices across the site update to reflect your chosen currency, making it easier to understand exactly what you're paying. After you've made your selection and confirmed that the currency is changed to your preference, click the Save button. This finalizes your choice and ensures that every time you visit Expedia in the future, prices will be displayed in your selected currency. This saves you from having to manually convert prices or wonder about exchange rates while browsing for flights, hotels, or vacation packages. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the currency in Expedia to match your preferences. Now you can browse and book with confidence, knowing exactly what everything costs in the currency that matters most to you. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.